All right, if you're looking at engineering colleges around Madurai, you'll want to pay attention. We're breaking down everything you need to know about Vaigai College of Engineering. And remember this code, 5532. That's their TNEA code.
So if you're a parent or a student gearing up for the 2026 engineering admissions, this one's for you. We've done the homework to bring you the key facts about Vaigai College of Engineering, especially if you're from the Madurai region.
Okay, first things first, let's get to the basics. Who exactly is this college and where will you find it?
So, Vaigai College of Engineering is what we call a self-financing college. It's affiliated to the big one, Anna University in Chennai, and location-wise, you'll find it in Melur Taluk, which is part of the Madurai district. Now, how do you get in? Well, it's all through the TNEA counseling process, the Tamil Nadu engineering admissions. The seats are split up like this. 65% come under the government quota, and the other 35% are for the management quota. All right, let's talk about trust. Is this a legitimate institution? To figure that out, we need to look at its background and its official approvals. The college actually opened its doors back in 2012. It was started by the Vaigai Educational Trust, and their main goal was pretty clear, to bring quality technical education to students from rural areas in the Madurai region. This next part is super important. We're talking about AICTE approval. You absolutely have to look for this. And yes, Vaigai College of Engineering is approved by the All India Council for Technical Education for the academic year 2025-26, so that's a big tick in the box. Okay, we've covered the basics, now for the exciting part. What courses can you actually sign up for? Let's dive into the programs. They offer 5 classic BE programs. You've got civil engineering, computer science, and then there's electrical and electronics. Of course, you also have electronics and communication, and finally, mechanical engineering. The branch codes you'll need for counseling are right there on your screen. So if you add up all the seats across those 5 branches, you're looking at a total of 300 undergraduate seats. That's the total number approved by AICTE. All right, let's get to the question that's probably on everyone's mind. Placements. What are the job prospects like after you finish your 4 years? This is a big one. So what about those job prospects? How many students are actually getting placed? The number the college has put forward is 90%. That's right, a 90% placement rate. Now, where does this number come from? It's important you know this. This 90% figure is what the college itself reported to TNE for 2025. It's their official self-reported data. Okay, great academics and placements are one thing, but what about day-to-day life? Let's talk about the practical stuff: hostels, transport, and financial support. Good news for students who will be staying on campus. The college has separate hostel facilities available for both boys and girls. And if you're a day scholar, getting to college shouldn't be a problem. They have their own transport service with buses running on different routes in and around Madurai. What about financial aid? Well, the college helps students apply for a bunch of government scholarships. We're talking about the SC/ST scholarship, the one for BC, MBC, and DNC students, the first graduate scholarship, and also scholarships for OBC and minority students. Just so you know, all the information we've shared today comes straight from the college's own website and official government portals. Everything is based on the latest data we had at the time we put this together. So what's the final word? Look, with its solid AICTE approval and a focus on core engineering branches, Vaigai College of Engineering is definitely a name to consider, especially if you're in the Madurai area. The real question for you is, does it fit your goals? To see how it stacks up against other options, head over to profsam.com. It's your true source for making these big decisions, from 12 standard to engineering.